Hello guys, we are from 𝐒𝐞𝐵 Solutions software company. In today's video, we'll explore the order automation feature in 𝐒𝐞𝐵 Solutions point of sale POS software and see what benefits it offers. Whenever you need to reorder products from a supplier or vendor, you typically create an order, right? Well, there are two ways to do that. 1. Manual order. You can manually create an order by selecting the required items and quantities. 2. Automatic order. The software can generate an order automatically based on your current stock levels and requirements. If your stock falls below the specified threshold, the software will automatically place an order for the necessary quantity. How to create an order? First, go to the order module in the software. Click on the Add button to create a new order. The system will automatically display the current date, but if you want to change it, you can do so manually. Enter the supplier or vendor name, and voila, the order is created. If you enable automatic ordering, the software will generate orders for low stock items without you having to do anything. Amazing, right? If we select supplier names, the software will check our physical stock, meaning it will display how many pieces of each item are available. Additionally, it will recognize which supplier provides which items and will automatically generate an order based on stock levels. If needed, we can manually modify or adjust the order too. If there are items you don't want to include, no worries. You can simply adjust the quantity. Order customization options. You can order items in bundles or individual pieces as per your requirement. You can even change the UOM, unit of measurement, if needed. After finalizing the order, the total estimated cost will be displayed on the screen. If an advance payment is required, you can enter the amount and select whether you are paying via cash or bank transfer. If paying via bank transfer, enter the bank name and transaction ID if applicable. Stock management feature. The maximum stock level setting allows you to define how many units of an item should be in stock. If stock falls below this level, the software will automatically add that item to the order. If stock exceeds this level, the software won't generate an order for that item. Smart, isn't it? Saving and processing orders. Once all settings are configured, click Save to finalize the order. You can generate orders for multiple suppliers at the same time using the automatic order feature. If the purchase price of an item is not available at the time of order creation, no problem, just enter an estimated price. The final purchase price will be updated when you receive the invoice. Generating order reports. All created orders will be visible in the order details section. To generate a report, double-click on an order and click the report button. The system will generate a PDF report, which can be saved, printed, or shared via WhatsApp or email. How convenient is that? Manual order entry. If you are manually creating an order, select the supplier's name and add the required products by either scanning the barcode or searching by name. Enter the desired quantity for each product. If you know the purchase price, you can enter it to get an estimated order cost. After finalizing the order, click Save, and the order will be recorded in the system. You can print the PDF invoice using the software's print button or by pressing Ctrl+P. Conclusion. After saving, you can share the PDF invoice with suppliers via WhatsApp or email. This feature streamlines the order process, reduces errors, and saves time. Isn't that awesome? In the next video, we'll explain even more amazing features of the software, so stay tuned. Until then, take care, and see you soon.